Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your announcements visible in Canvas using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canvas Teacher app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the course where you want announcement to be visible. Inside the course, tap the menu icon, the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and tap Settings at the bottom. In the Settings area, scroll until you find the options called Show Recent announcements on course home page or something similar. This is the settings that makes announcement visible to students when they first open the course. Toggle the switch to turn it on. When the switch is on, Canvas will display your latest announcements right at the top of the course home page so students can't miss them. Below the toggle, you will see another option that says number of announcements. So tap it and choose how many announcements are visible. Usually 1 to 3 works great. Next, check that your announcement themselves are public. Go back to the course menu, tap announcement and make sure each one has the green check mark. If it's clear, tap it to publish. Now go back to the home and refresh by swiping down. You should now see your recent announcement displayed at the top. Your student will see the same thing when they open the course. And that's all. That's how to make your announcement visible in Canvas using phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.